In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable read mode in Microsoft Word 365. If you've ever wanted a cleaner, distraction-free way to read a document without all the editing tools and visual clutter, this is a quick and reliable feature built right into Word. Start by opening your document in Microsoft Word 365. Make sure the file you want to read is fully loaded on your screen. You'll see the familiar ribbon along the top of the window. That's the toolbar area that contains all your tabs and commands. Next, look toward the top of the screen for the View tab. The View tab is where Word organizes everything related to how your document is displayed, rather than how it's written or formatted. Clicking View shifts the ribbon to show options that control the layout, zoom, and reading experience. Within the View tab, find the group labeled Views. This section collects the different ways you can visually experience your document. Here, click Read Mode. The moment you do, Word transforms your document into a streamlined, book-style layout designed purely for reading. You'll notice the interface becomes quieter and the focus shifts to your text. Toolbars minimize, page elements get more breathing room, and the overall layout adjusts to reduce distractions. Depending on your screen size, Word may present text in a column-like format that's comfortable for the eyes, similar to turning pages in an e-reader. This is intentional and helps maintain a steady reading flow. You might also see the font and spacing subtly optimized for clarity, making long documents easier to get through without fatigue. The content of your document doesn't change. It's simply displayed in a way that prioritizes legibility. Read mode is particularly useful for reviewing contracts, reports, or long articles when you're not actively editing. It helps you concentrate, skim efficiently, or settle into a deep read. If you're working on a laptop or tablet, you'll appreciate how it makes better use of the screen space and reduces the likelihood of clicking editing tools by accident. That's all it takes to enable read mode in Word 365. Open your document, go to the View tab, and choose Read Mode. With just a couple of clicks, you get a cleaner, more comfortable reading environment that lets your document take center stage. Enjoy your reading and feel confident knowing your text is displayed exactly as intended for a distraction-free experience.